Good evening, good afternoon, good morning. You are welcome to First Stage Immigrant Solution. My name is still Anthony, your Ogboge presenter. So the reason why I make me just say I rush can't do this small video is about this bonus where they go on now for Italy. So this bonus, because of say government when they ask us say me will stay us, now bring this bonus they come out. But many people they misinterpret this bonus about how he say me that they spend this money. So now make me come, may I come explain some of them where it has to do with money for inside. So those people where they front line, whether they call medical people, nurse. So people where see the other this thing health cases, like people where see they work for hospital, or people wey still know say they work for all this pharmacy and all those things. Government come to us say anybody wey do extra time they will still pay them extra money, and say anybody wey still leave their children for house wey get pikin for inside, they will still pay them up to 1,000 euro for babysitter. So that one na be those people wey dey front line. While those people wey first dey work before this coronavirus start, they can't tell them say make they close their work, make they stay for house. Those people, government sit us say he go see pay them. So how you want to pay them? The Minister of Works for Italy come talk to government say the best way where this money go quickly come, now be say he can't tell bank, come collaborate with bank and social service, say make they put heads together, make they take pay those people where they lay off, whether they call a casa integrazione, may they pay them up to 1,400 euro, up to 1,400 euro. You know me say now 1,400 euro they'll pay you. So if you pay you 1,400 euro, but the fee still pay you less than that. Now those people will get work where their work stop because of this coronavirus. Now they won't pay that money. What about those people where get partita IVA? Those people will get what they call VAT, which is value added tax. Now that they call partita IVA for year. Those people will get partita IVA, will get personal work, whether you put your paper for autonomous, all of them are see partita IVA. Or people with they agricolo, where they call farm work. If they work for any farm sector or any other private sector, whether professional work, and you get VAT, which is a value-added tax, you pay your own tax by yourself as a professional work. You not there under anybody. Those people, government sit or say, you go see pay them 600 euro for now, but they are still talking on how to increase the money to 800. But for now, tomorrow, now the process will start. So they say now 600 euro, now go if you give them. But many people see they talk, say, what of those people will not get work at all? Or some people will get work where they do black job. But those one where they do black work or will not get work at all, for now, government see they look on how they'll take resolve those people problem. You know me say government forget to now. But the money where government see dispatch for different type of different municipalities where they around Italy, it dispatched up to about 400 millions of euro, where it say may share for 8,000 commune where they Italy. And depends on your commune. You know me say that the same money all commune will share. Now depends on your commune. Now you will see depends on the money where you receive. So commune see they will still reach past other commune. So you know if you expect the commune where reach past, it will still give you small money. They'll still give you money where still big past the one where you not still reach, you still get. So that's for that. So commune now they work with social assistance, and they do meeting on how they want to know the right amount where they give those people where it gets problem with their family, where they don't feel bad things to chop, whether they call shopping. You understand? Those people now government they look into their case for under your own quarters. You go your quarter, you go social service where they take care of you. You call them. So anytime where they don't agree with the money where they want give you now, so now they'll come tell you on how you fit take collect them, on how you fit take get them. Most of them that they talk about on these ticket restaurants on how you can use these ticket restaurants for you to take back things for supermarket. But for now, they never really start the whole process. So then they think on how they'll start them as soon as possible. Then why those people we see lost their job before this problem start? If you know, say you get physical code and PIN to access limbs, so you still do the process yourself. All you need to do, maybe you install the application, which is IMSS app. You install them for your phone, and if you don't install them for your phone, you choose the location where the IMSS dey for your area. If you choose the location, you enter your physical code and your PIN. And if you don't do those ones, you still do unemployed application. So that unemployed application does still get money where does still pay you. So those people where their work still finish, where they thought may stay, where their contract finish for this period, it not mean say they don't renew your contract. As soon as this coronavirus finish, they'll still call you as soon as work start. So more than not fear all the things where I just say, I just tell you anything where still change. So I'll still come still tell you the latest. So I just summarize this video because of the whole thing. Now every Sunday, every Saturday evening, the president they come and constantly change the law because a lot of complication they did. But the one way they'll say they want start tomorrow now 600. So that make me bring that one come for now. If they still increase them, they'll still call now. But for those people who still they work for this period, they tell them say they'll give them €100. They'll still add €100 to your salary where you fed they receive. So those one are the few information. May I can't drop for our people. So Mona beware of any fake rumor saying that so they pay for house and so that they pay for this. If any other thing still come, we'll still try and we'll still come, we'll give you the information. Please, if you know say you never still subscribe to my channel, Mona subscribe to this First Aid Immigrant Solution. So any information where you still come, I'll still come out, may I can still come drop them for my fellow viewers. As soon as they view, as soon as they share this video, now so God will see they bless you now. I still remain your presenter, Anthony. Una bye bye.